Hey y'all, um, we've rolled out a new feature, some slash commands in Discord. The idea is to make it easier for you to give us feedback or report bugs, and I'm here to show you how they work. So we're in the report a bug channel, and I'm just gonna hit slash and then bug. That's gonna open the bug report. And so let's do a quick bug report. Let's give it a short title. Um, uh, can't log in. A summary would be when I go to the Andamio landing page, I click on log in and nothing happens. Steps, step 1 is go to andamio.io, and step 2 is click on login button, and the expected result is when I should be redirected to my home page or dashboard. Great. So when you're done, you just click enter. So what this command does is it lets you quickly report something that's broken or confusing, and yeah, just give it a short title, explain what happened, how to reproduce it, and what you expect it to happen. Once you submit it, it shows up in the Discord server, but it also gets automatically logged in our internal tracker, so we can jump in right away and fix it. Second is the feedback. So the feedback is maybe you have a suggestion. We're in the feedback channel, by the way. Maybe you have a suggestion or want to tell us how your experience has been. You can also rate your satisfaction with the NPS or Net Promoter Score. You can pick a category to better to categorize your feedback, and you can tell us how to make things better. So let's do the same thing, slash feedback, and I'm gonna say make hero font size bigger. And then I'm gonna select improvement, and I'm gonna say make font size 2 times bigger. Then NPS, I'm gonna super happy with Andamio, so it's a 1 to 10 rating, and I'm gonna give it a 10. And the category is just UI UX, and same thing. So again, this gets logged in our internal feedback system instantly, so there's no forms. It's just your insights, and it goes straight to our team. So these new commands are here to help us, help you shape Andamio with us. Your feedback and reports go straight into action. So next time you spot a bug or have an idea, just use bug or feedback and we'll take it from there. Thanks, guys.